Hello and welcome, my name is Chris from Pixel Splash Website Design. Pardon me. Hello and welcome, my name is Chris Waters from Pixel Splash Website Design, based here in Geelong for Geelong businesses, and today you're watching our video tutorial series on how to edit the basic content in your WordPress website. Now in this episode we're going to look at menus, navigation, how you change menu items, how you move them around, how you assign them, and if you don't know what I mean by a menu, let me show you. So here's the page that we're working at. We're working in the Pixel Splash website, and up here this is the menu. Okay, now like I said, lots of people call it different things. They call it navigation, they call it all sorts of stuff, but basically it's the main way that you navigate through your website, and it has links to the various pages or blog posts or whatever you want basically. And usually it stays at the top of the website. You can sometimes have navigations on the side, but no matter where you go, no matter what page you go to, it should be prominent, it should be the same. So how do we edit that? How do we move things around? How do we add new pages? It's simple and easy with WordPress. All you do is you go into your dashboard and you go down to Appearances, Menus. You click on this and it will open up the menu editor. Now with menus, the way that WordPress works is you create a menu, you fill it full of menu items, and then you assign where you want that menu to be visible from. So the first thing we're going to do is let's choose a already selected menu, a pre-selected menu. So you go over here to select a menu. Now currently we've got two menus. We've got one called Test, which doesn't have anything in it. You can see there's no pages in here, or we can go Main Menu. So let's go Main Menu and go Select. Alternative, if you want to create a new menu, you can simply click Create New Menu and that will have the same effect. You can just start pulling things in. Alright, here we go. We've got our pages listed down here. You'll see Home, Web Design, Services, the team, so on and so forth. And they are reflected up here. So, for instance, let's say we want to move the home all the way to the end and we want website design to be first. All you do is you grab it, hold down your mouse and you drag it. Then you go and you click Save Menu, and then it will save it and reflect it here. Now I'm not going to click Save because this site is live and I don't want to change it like that, but that's what you do. Maybe you want to move website design, you just grab it and move it around. Now you can see as well, if I move it to the side, it indents it. Now what this does is it makes it what's called a child element. So let me give you an example. Let's say we want website design to be under services, okay? So we pull it under the services. Let's actually save it for this example because it will make more sense if you can see it. So it's saving up here. You can see it's thinking. When it's done, we will go and view the website and see those changes reflected. All right, it's done. So let's go over here and refresh this page, and hopefully we will see the changes reflected. It should be the case, but you know what? There we go. So now where's our web design? Well, apparently it's under the Services tab. So if we have Services, Web Design, and it's selectable there, okay? Now let's move it back up to here, drag it across, save the menu, it's thinking, and when it's finished we'll go refresh this page to bring it back to normal. But what you can do is you can grab elements and you can make as many layers as you want. So you can have, let's refresh this, make sure that's fine. Because I don't want my website to be looking like that. There we go. Great. All back to normal. We can make home page, then we want to indent that, and then we want to indent that one. We want to indent like that, and then you're going to have all these various layers upon layers of pages. You can have maybe the services page, put the team under there, put media under there, put the blog under there. Now they're all on the same level now, but if you move media out, now you've got the services, hover down, you'll have the team and the blog. And if you hover over team, you'll have media. That's the way it works. That's how indentation works. And so we're going to move them all back. If it lets me. Come on, move back. Well, there we go. Come on, move back. I'm just ordering them, whatever at the moment. We're not going to save this menu, so that's fine. Let's open up an actual item. So we click on this little arrow here, and we can change the label. That will determine what it actually says here. So even though this is the home page, it's a link to the home page, we can call it whatever we want. It will still go to the home page, but we can rename it, and that is the navigation label there. You can give it an attribute if you want. You can change the style if you want. and you can use it as a mega menu, and a mega menu is basically makes it really, really big and really wide and pulls it all into a big box. And you can try that if you want to view that. But really, all you'll be changing is the navigation title for most pages. So that's how you move things around. Maybe we want to add content to it. So on the left over here, we have all of our pages, all of our posts, any custom links that we want to add in, and we have all of our categories. And categories will show you a page with all the content that's been marked with those categories will appear on that page. And so we just want to add a page. So there's a page called Coffee and Consultation. We want to add that one, and let's say we want to add Facebook review and Google review pages. Now this is showing us our most recent edited content, but if we can't find what we're looking for in here, we can simply go view all, and this will show us all the pages on our website, and we can just click, add them all in, whatever we want. Alternatively, we can just search for a page. So let's search for coffee. You don't even need to click enter, it will start, and that's found. Obviously these pages have the word coffee in them at some point, so we can add it. So let's go view all, let's add coffee and consultation, and let's add these 2 reviews. You just go add to menu, and it will pull them in, and they'll appear just below here. There they are, and then you can grab them and put them wherever you want. If you click save menu, they will appear, and they will link to those various pages. Now, you can link to posts as well. So a post is a blog article. So these are all my blog articles. Again, most recent, most viewed. You can link directly to a blog article if you want. Works same as a page. Simply add it in and pull it in. And then even custom links. Maybe you want to link to something outside of your website. Maybe you want to have a link on your navigation up here to Google. Well, you can do that if you want. You just go custom links, and you type in the URL, so it's www.google.com, and then this is what is going to be called. The link itself is going to look like this name, so we're going to say Google, and we add it, and now it will again appear down here as a custom link, and you can drag it and put it wherever you want. And when we save it, we'll have a little Google link that we click on it, and it will take us outside the website. So for the rest of the content things here, so posts, pages, and categories will all link within content within the site. Custom links will allow you to link outside of the site for navigation. So once we have it all selected and we've saved it, and you might be thinking, well, it's not appearing up here. Why is it not appearing up here? Well, maybe you haven't assigned it. And so various themes will have different places that you can assign menus. And for the theme that we're using, Enfold, you want the child main menu is the one that will appear here. And so if you don't have that selected, it probably won't appear up here. And so you need to make sure that is selected, and then you click save, and that will those changes will be reflected in your website. And so that's the basics on how you can edit your menu, how you can add items, and how you can add external links to your menu. I hope they found it helpful, and I'll talk to you again in another tutorial soon. See ya.